Smeg American style fridge freezer. This is the Victorious style product, available in blue, cream and black through our website. This is a French door product, so the fridge is at the top. Very easy access to everything, no bending down to get stuff that's at the bottom of the fridge. Nice, really well laid out product. Superb amount of space in here for fruit, veg, you know, for the fish, the meat. Basically, I think it's a super stylish product. And there's also lots of capacity in the freezer. So in black, in cream or in pastel blue, just a superb product, something a little bit different. Maybe the statement piece you need for your kitchen. Take a look on our website, and if you need any help, please don't hesitate to give us a call in store.